Welcome guys. Today we'll be changing exponents into logarithmic form. So let's have our first question. So if x squared is equals to 9. Now in logarithmic form we're going to have the log, the base, it's gonna be the one who is gonna be here, and then our number, it's gonna be right here, and then we equate it into our exponent. So as you can see, the base, the number or the constant, the exponent, and then we equate it into exponent. Now let's do the second example. Number 2, going to have 3 to the power x is equals to 9. Now in logarithmic form we're going to have the log, since now our base is 3, the log of 3 constant, which is 9, is equals to x. Now in this question our exponent, as you can see, it's 2, so we equate everything to x. Now let's have our second question. Let's have 2 to the power of x, it's going to be equals to 1/4. Now in logarithmic form we're going to have the log of base and then our constant, equating it to our exponent. So let's have our fourth question. So in doing these kinds of examples guys, I just want to show you how you change the exponential form to logarithmic form. So basically people do have a lot of trouble, like if they encounter difficulties in changing from exponential to logarithmic. It's quite a big thing to actually grasp this thing, because some of you're just being introduced to this thing and then you're trying to understand what's going on. So I'm sure this video is going to help you how to change from exponential form to a logarithmic form. Now let's do our fourth question. We're going to have 2 to the power x is equals to 8. Now in logarithmic form you can just pause the video and try and change it into a logarithmic form. So now that you have attempted the question, now let's look at the solution. Now we are going to have log the base, which is 2, our constant, which is 8, it's going to be equals to our exponent x. Now let's have the last example, final question number 5. So we're going to have 5 to the power x is equals to 1. Now in logarithmic form you can just pause the video and try it out before we continue. So in logarithmic form we're going to have log our base constant, it's equals to our x, which is the exponent. So just to summarize or to make a consolidation of what we're doing here, our a, you know that it's always our base, and then our b, it's always our constant, and our x, it's always our exponent. So let's have an equation, an exponential equation, just to elaborate here, and then let's have 9. So in this case, it is going to be our base, this is going to be our base, and then 9 is going to be our constant, and then x, it's going to be our exponent. So there you have it guys. So in this video I was just trying to show you how to change or how to change an exponential function or exponential form, or to change an exponential form into logarithmic form. Thank you guys, and thank you very much and for watching this video. I hope you gained something, and see you in the next video.